Welcome everybody to a product review of our premium rub. That's right. This is named for exactly what it is. We use some of the highest grade ingredients we can buy. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the packaging as if you are a retailer and you're looking at the way things are done. On one side, we have our nutrition panel, our ingredient statement, any allergens, and this is gluten-free. And it is also MSG free. UPC code down there on the bottom, and it states made in the USA. On the front, we have our logo, and this is part of our original blend series because this was actually the very first rub we ever came out with. So it's definitely in the original blend series. Premium rub, it is a 12.1 ounce shaker bottle. This side, we have the icon up there for Barbecue Pitmaster showing we've been on the show, and a bunch of verbiage on just a little bit about the product inside, and some icons telling you our suggestions on things it can be used in. Now, this is a plastic bottle, as you can see. The bottom it'll have our lot number and an expiration or a use by number. Flip top cap on it. And as you can see, it's got the shaker, or you can open it up and spoon it out if needed. That is the outside. Now let's get to the inside and all the good stuff that everybody wants to know about. We're going to open this up. There's the FDA safety seal in it. All right. I'm going to show it to you here real quick. You can see the product. And as I do all my rubs, I'll take a sniff test and kind of tell you a little bit just about what I smell. I can smell a little savoriness is what I believe it is. Not real sure the exact description of it, but that's what I'm getting. Let me pour a little bit out here on this platter and show you what it looks like. That's it up close. You can see it. There's just a couple black flakes in it. That'll be black pepper. And as you can see right there, the rest of the makeup. It is kind of a reddish, I'm not going to say brown, but more of a red color, as you can kind of see. And then when it's cooked into the meat, it really makes the meat a really brilliant red and everything. Now let's take a taste of it, and I'll tell you what we come up with. Initially, I get some sweetness and then some salt. I can taste the spices in it. There's some celery, some pepper. There's a little bit of a pepper heat, black pepper style coming in now. But it does have a great finish and flavor in my mouth. It's kind of a sweet type flavor, and that makes sense because if you look at the ingredients, brown sugar is the first ingredient. So that makes sense as to what I'm tasting. Yeah. I can taste I'm not sure if it's the celery I'm tasting. Let's see what all's in there. Spices, garlic, onion. Yeah, I bet it's the combination of all of those. Yeah, but that's what I'm getting out of it. Now, on a heat factor, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd say this is probably a 2. I don't think it's by any stretch of the means would be spicy, but it's definitely got a little heat to it. And that's just a black pepper heat. It's not a spicy jalapeno, habanero, or anything like that. It comes in this 12.1 ounce shaker. And in food service style, it comes in a 2-pound bag for bulk purchases. This product can be used, we use it as a first layer on our pork butts. It can be used with brisket. It is a great overall rub. You can grind it up and use it as a finishing dust. It is an excellent general flavor for being a barbecue style rub. Anything you like barbecue flavor in, this would be the rub for you. You can find this on our website. You could, not every one of our retailers have it. So go right into the store, ask the retailers, where's Butcher Barbecue Products and our premium rub, and I'm sure they'll locate it real quick on the shelf. That's all I've got. Thank you.